Branch. 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 Hi guys.
Eddie, what's happening?
That was the perfect introduction.
I
mean, it's not too long.
B.
Maybe a minute long, but it's not bad.
Two.
Most intros are about 10, 20 minutes long. 10, 20 seconds long. Today, this is the gun I use in the intro. It is the nerf vortex proton. It's the proton series. Or, yeah, I think it's the proton series. Yeah, it's definitely proton. Here's the gun Oliver used. Let me look at it. It's a big gun. But, now look at the size of it. It's puny. You see, remember this gun from the Vulcan EBF-25 intro? Detachable stock. Best thing ever. Take it. Trick people. Take a smaller gun. Put it on here if you want. But putting the stock on, some guns have a special feature. See this thing here? If you pull it back, see how it turns orange? If I pull it away, if it's orange, you can shoot. If it's orange, this part is orange, and this is up, then you can shoot.
No.
But with some guns, if you do this, well, see, some of Nerf's newer stocks let you still see that feature on the stock, but you can with older versions. You can take an old gun like the Raider CS-35 and buy a new stock and that stuff. But we're moving back to this gun. This is the smallest of proton series. This is just a Nerf. You know, super small gun. Holds one bullet. Pull it back. Easy to tell if it's bullet. You have this orange bar here. Stick it out. Shoot it. But the proton here, or the vortex, whatever. Oh, let's talk about this. My Nerf. It's big. I don't know what this here is for. I mean, look, this is even better than some guns. Because look, you don't have to have that hatch when bullets get stuck. Because look at the bullets. Discs. And unlike the regular darts, when you shoot something, it bounces off the walls. So, if someone is like next to someone, if you shoot it at an angle, it could bounce off them and then hit the other person, and then you have a double shot, double kill with one bullet. You see, if I put it here, see, sorry guys, that's all the bird. You have
Winner. by the way. What's
And
it?
you're not gonna believe this
No.
incredible story.
No.
Once, somebody tried to shoot me with this gun.
Hey, wait.
Guess what gun I had? I had the Deploy CS6. This guy, it was in suitcase mode, as always.
What's
So
it?
it's like I was just carrying it, and then someone tried to shoot me with that gun, and I just put this up here. So I just was walking like this really, and someone tried to shoot me, and they actually hit the gun. So look at that. That is good for blocking.
So, where do I like?
Ouch.
And what do we? What?
This video is sponsored by Oliver. Oh my god. Maya, they give you back a... It's your... Good.
No.
As always, this video is sponsored by Oliver. Okay, we can continue. The gun. See, this is good for if you're like, don't like want to open this and just... Pew shine.
No?
Mm-hmm.
See?
True.
See? I don't want to see. What's this?
As I said, video is sponsored by Oliver.
What the that? No. No.